Today I want to show you how to take this cover off on the stove. This particular stove is Frigidaire. So first thing you do is you remove the grills. This last grill I just used the stove, so what I have to do is I have to be extra careful. So I'm going to use something other than my bare hand. I don't want to get burned. Let me see if I can find anything. So I'm going to go ahead and use the screwdriver and the scissor to remove it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this socket and a ratchet. They're all different size, but this particular one, as you see, the head of the bolt is just coming off. It's probably rusted. I'm going to fix it later. This particular one is not broken, but the other two were broken. Once I get this off, I should be able to lift up the cover. So far 2 screws are saved. I could reuse them. This one is broken, and let's see, that one is also broken. I mean, they're probably in so tight, no one probably opened it, you know, and that's why they're just breaking off. That's not a problem. I could use an extractor to extract out and fix the threads later on. And now for the great reveal. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to lift up this cover so I could show you. So I'm using this butter knife. You could use putty knife, anything to pry it open at this point. And that's what it looks like underneath the cover. Slide it right back out. And whatever is it that you need to do, you have full access over here. I prefer this kind of cover, this kind of stove, because you have full access. In the past, I have come across stoves where you just lift it up like that, and there's like the car hood. But this particular one, I'm able to remove it easily. You know, apart from screwing back everything in. I guess everything has advantages and its own disadvantages. So I hope you liked the video. If you find it beneficial, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. I'm going to fix these screws later on. I just wanted to show you a quick preview on how to open the stovetop.